Not sad, just cinematic, like a sitcom without the laugh. The fork hits the plate like percussion, steam does a little ballet, and I swear the fridge light is judging me, but I eat anyway. Some nights love is a meal you didn't skip, a tiny choice with a steady grip. Not a gram fix, not instant peace, just proof I'm worth basic needs. I used to think I had to deserve it. Rest, food, a softer brain. But my body's not a courtroom, and my hunger isn't shame. So I add hot sauce like courage and drink water like a dare. And the world doesn't end, it just sits back in its chair. If you're waiting to feel perfect before you let yourself be cared for, you'll starve in a room full of groceries. Some nights love, some nights love, some nights love.